Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into an exciting comparison between two groundbreaking AI models from OpenAI, that is ChatGPT 4o and ChatGPT 4o Mini. What makes these models so innovative? How do they differ from each other? And which one is right for you? Stay tuned as we unpack all these questions and more. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how these models can transform your tech experience from daily tasks to complex projects. First, let's define what these models are all about. ChatGPT 4o. ChatGPT 4o stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4 Optimization. It's a state-of-the-art AI model designed to handle a wide array of tasks with incredible precision and versatility. Whether it's drafting emails, creating content, or assisting with research, ChatGPT 4o delivers top-notch performance thanks to its advanced natural language understanding and generation capabilities. ChatGPT 4o Mini. On the other hand, ChatGPT 4o Mini is like the smartphone version of ChatGPT 4o. It's compact, efficient, and designed to fit into smaller, more resource-constrained environments while still providing powerful AI capabilities. Imagine having a highly capable AI assistant that's as portable as your phone. That's ChatGPT 4o Mini. So, why is everyone talking about ChatGPT 4o and ChatGPT 4o Mini? Here are some compelling reasons. ChatGPT 4o. Powerful performance. Handles complex tasks with ease, providing high-quality outputs. Versatility. Suitable for a wide range of applications from business automation to creative writing. Advanced features. Includes the latest advancements in AI technology, making it a leader in its field. ChatGPT 4o Mini. Efficiency. Optimized for speed and low resource consumption, perfect for devices with limited computational power. Accessibility. Brings advanced AI capabilities to a broader audience, including those with less powerful hardware. Affordability. Lower resource demands translate to cost savings, making high-quality AI more affordable for smaller businesses and individual developers. Features of ChatGPT 4o Mini. Let's highlight some of the key features of ChatGPT 4o Mini. Streamlined performance. Delivers high-quality AI outputs with optimized processing power. User-friendly integration. Easy to integrate into existing systems and workflows. Scalable solutions. Suitable for projects of all sizes, from individual tasks to large-scale implementations. Robust capabilities. Supports a wide array of functions including text generation, language translation, and more. Enhanced accessibility. Available to a broader audience thanks to its efficiency and lower cost. Real-time applications. Ideal for chatbots and other interactive applications needing quick responses. Customizable framework. Easily tailored to fit specific use cases and preferences. Now, let's compare the key differences between ChatGPT 4o and ChatGPT 4o Mini. Size and speed. ChatGPT 4o Mini is designed to be smaller and faster, processing information more quickly for real-time applications. Resource efficiency. ChatGPT 4o requires substantial computational resources, whereas ChatGPT 4o Mini is optimized to run on less powerful hardware without significant performance loss. Accessibility. ChatGPT 4o Mini is more accessible, available on a wider range of devices from desktops to mobile. Customization. ChatGPT 4o Mini offers easier customization and integration into specific workflows, making it adaptable to various needs. Ready to explore ChatGPT 4o and ChatGPT 4o Mini? Head over to the official ChatGPT website, click on Get Started and start integrating these amazing tools into your projects. So now, let me show you the difference between ChatGPT 4o and ChatGPT 4o Mini. So we all know this is the dashboard and here is where we give the prompt and we will be getting the output. So let me give the same question or the prompt to both the models and see which is actually giving me the result faster. Let me type in my prompt here. I need information on which country has secured more medals in 2024 Olympics. Right? Let me copy and paste the same prompt in ChatGPT 4o Mini. Now let me run both the prompts on different models. So this is 4 and this is 4o Mini. So as you can see, 4o Mini just gave the compact version or the response and it gave it faster than ChatGPT 4o, right? But ChatGPT 4o can be used for complex solutions or complex models. But here, ChatGPT 4o Mini can be used on a daily basis. So let us give different prompts and see which works faster, right? Now, let me try giving a different prompt. Now, let us give a technical prompt, right? So, give me a Python code to add two numbers. Also, give me different codes, right? So, I am asking it to give me 2 or more than 2 codes for the same problem. So, let me run it on ChatGPT 4o first. I'm clicking on run and now ChatGPT 4o Mini. But as you can see, ChatGPT 4o Mini is faster. It gave me 5 different solutions. But then ChatGPT 4o is still giving me solution. This is how ChatGPT 4o Mini is faster when compared to ChatGPT 4o. So this is my paid version, right? I am using one of my subscription plan and that is why ChatGPT 4o and ChatGPT 4o Mini is easily available for me to switch between the models, right? But then what if I use a free account to do the same? What if I want to use ChatGPT 4o Mini on my free account? Let me show you a small demo of it also. Cost and availability. Keep in mind that ChatGPT 4o and its variants, including ChatGPT 4o Mini, are generally not available for free use. OpenAI offers access to its models through subscription plans or API usage, which typically comes with a cost. While some limited free access might be available through certain platforms or promotions, sustained and full-featured access usually requires payment. As you can see, this is one of my free account, which means I have not taken any subscription plan. That is why I am not able to see any models here in my drop-down, right? It is the default model, that is 3.5, right? So let me show you how to use ChatGPT 4o Mini here on this platform for free, right? So let me give a prompt here in my prompt section or message ChatGPT. So let me give a technical question again. So give me a C++ code for swapping 2 numbers. So let me click on this run button. So it's giving me the code to swap 2 numbers. So this code will prompt the user to enter two numbers and then swap their values using a temporary variable. So it's given me a code where I can be using the temporary variable to swap two numbers. Okay, now it has actually given the result in the default model, that is 3.5. Now let me show you how to use ChatGPT 4o mini here. So here you have a diamond shaped icon, right? So here you can click on the drop down. There you go. You get GPT 4o also for free, 4o mini also for free. So our task is now to see if ChatGPT 4o mini works, right? So I'll just click on it and it'll give me the ChatGPT 4o mini version of the code. And you can see how fast it gave me the code. And it is also explaining me that in this program, we do all this to get the output, right? You see that. So we can come to a conclusion that ChatGPT 4o mini is faster when compared to any other model, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest in AI technology. See you in the next video.